Biryani and the Tamil curry connection. The historical ties between the Arabs and the Tamils for spice trade have given rise to a captivating culinary saga. Ancient Tamil literature unfolds the narrative of Uhoon Sohru, or meat rice, a blend of rice, meat, ginger, turmeric, and pepper, echoing the foundational elements of what we recognize today as biryani. Venturing into the pages of Tamil history uncovers the presence of three ancient Tamil dynasties, Chera, Chola, and Pandya, an exploration detailed in my book and various articles. In a gripping account from ancient Tamil literature, a Chola king named Nala N. Kili orchestrates a battlefield feast of Uhoon Sohru for triumphant soldiers who had vanquished the Pandya king and seized his palace. Another poignant tale, articulated by the prolific Tamil poet Kappilar, unveils the tragedy of the philanthropic King Pari, falling victim to a deceitful alliance among the kings of Chera, Chola, and Pandya. The poet laments the loss of the benevolent king who once provided the nourishing Uhoon Sohru, conveying a sense that life has lost its purpose in his absence. The connection between the Arabs in pursuit of Tamil spices and this ancient recipe becomes apparent. It's conceivable that the Arabs, in their interactions with the Tamils, embraced and adapted this age-old culinary tradition, giving birth to their distinctive version known as biryani. The Arab dish biryani made its way into the northern Indian subcontinent with the invading Islamic forces. Its popularity surged after the medieval period and further solidified following the formation of British India, uniting various kingdoms, queendoms, principalities, and sultanates that had previously engaged in conflicts. The amalgamation ushered in a period of relative peace, contributing to biryani's widespread acceptance and appreciation. Biryani, a culinary masterpiece steeped in history, has woven its way into the hearts and palates of people globally. Its rich blend of fragrant spices, succulent meat, and aromatic basmati rice tells a tale of culinary innovation and cultural exchanges. Origins of biryani. Tracing back to the medieval kitchens of the Indian subcontinent, biryani is believed to have Persian roots, introduced to northern part of the subcontinent by the Mughals. The name, biryani, is derived from the Persian word, biryan, meaning, fried before cooking. This technique involves partially cooking meat and rice separately before layering and finishing the process, adapting and evolving over time. Ancient biryani recipes. Early versions of biryani-like dishes existed in the 14th century, showcased in the 16th century cookbook, Nimitnama-i-Nasiruddin Shahi. These recipes featured aromatic rice, meat, saffron, and an array of spices, providing glimpses into the early roots of biryani. Biryani in Mughal cuisine. The Mughal emperors played a pivotal role in popularizing biryani, incorporating delicate cooking techniques like dum pukt, a slow cooking method sealing the dish to trap aromas. Biryani became a staple in their royal kitchens, using the finest ingredients. Biryani's regional variations. Regional variations add to biryani's charm, with Hyderabadi biryani known for slow-cooked perfection and Kolkata biryani distinguished by spices like nutmeg and saffron. Lucknowi biryani, Malabar biryani, and Sindhi biryani each boast unique flavors and techniques. Biryani's popularity across the world. As Indian cuisine gained global acclaim, biryani found its place on international menus. From the United Kingdom to the United States, the Middle East to Southeast Asia, biryani's unique combination of spices, succulent meat, and fragrant rice made it a global favorite. Famous biryani restaurants and their specialties. Iconic establishments like Paradise Biryani House in Hyderabad and Arsalan in Kolkata gained fame for their exceptional biryani. Each restaurant offers a unique take on the beloved dish, showcasing traditional recipes passed down through generations. Biryani festivals and events. Dedicated festivals celebrate biryani's glory, with events like the Hyderabad Biryani Festival and Lucknow Biryani Festival showcasing regional specialties. These festivals provide platforms for chefs and enthusiasts to exchange ideas and flaunt their culinary skills. Biryani cooking techniques and tips. Mastering a few key techniques can enhance the home cooking experience. Using quality basmati rice, marinating meat in yogurt and spices, and layering ingredients in a heavy-bottomed pan ensures a delicious biryani. Conclusion. Biryani's enduring legacy. From ancient origins to its prominence in Mughal cuisine, biryani represents the rich heritage of the Indian subcontinent. Its regional diversity and global popularity make it a staple in households worldwide. As you savor the flavors of biryani, remember the captivating history and culinary artistry behind this gastronomic delight. One final note is, as a celebrated Tamil chef put it, biryani is an overhyped dish, merely a concoction of spices and meat with rice and no vegetables at all. which is no match to traditional Tamil curry dishes. Also, remember the Tamil Dutch response to biryani, a super delicacy, the lampreys or lumpreis, which should be tried by biryani enthusiasts. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.